Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi there, I'm Tom.
And I'm Lucy. We have something exciting for you today.
Very exciting. We're going to teach you a secret technique.
A secret technique that native speakers use without knowing it.
It's called shadowing.
And it's going to change how you speak English.
Ready to learn it?
Let's go.
So, Lucy, what exactly is shadowing?
Great question. Let me explain with a simple idea.
I'm listening.
Have you ever been someone's shadow?
A shadow?
Yes, a shadow follows you everywhere, right?
That's true.
It copies your every move.
Ah, so shadowing in English means
Copying someone's speech immediately.
like being their echo.
Exactly, like an echo.
Can you show me?
Of course. Say a sentence, Tom.
Today is a
is
beautiful day.
beautiful day.
You repeat it after me.
Yes, that's shadowing.
But there's something important here.
What's that?
You didn't wait for me to finish completely.
No. I started speaking while you were still speaking.
That's the key.
Shadowing means repeating at the same time.
Not after a long pause.
Right! It's like singing along to a song.
Oh, I understand. When you sing along, you don't wait for the song to stop.
Exactly. You sing at the same time.
That's shadowing.
Now, everyone listening, try it with us right now.
Yes. Shadow what Lucy says.
I love learning English.
Did you shadow that? Try again.
English is fun and exciting.
Great. You're already shadowing.
So, Tom, why does shadowing work so well?
This is the interesting part.
Tell us.
When you shadow, you're training two things at the same time.
Two things.
Your ears and your mouth.
Listening and speaking together.
Exactly. Your ears hear the correct pronunciation.
And your mouth practices making those sounds.
At the same time,
That's powerful.
it's much better than just listening.
Why?
Just listening is passive.
Passive means you're not doing anything.
Right, you're just receiving information.
But shadowing is active.
Yes, you're doing something. You're practicing.
What else does shadowing improve?
So many things.
Like what?
Pronunciation gets better automatically.
Your rhythm becomes more natural.
You learn the correct intonation.
Intonation means how your voice goes up and down.
Exactly. The music of the language.
Shadowing teaches all of this.
And here's the best part.
What?
Your mouth muscles get used to English sounds.
Like training at a gym.
Perfect comparison. When you go to the gym, you train your muscles.
And they get stronger.
Shadowing trains your mouth muscles.
They get stronger at making English sounds.
Over time, speaking English feels natural and automatic.
This is amazing.
Now, let me teach everyone how to practice shadowing step by step.
Step by step is good.
Step 1. Choose your material.
What kind of material?
Podcasts like this one.
YouTube videos,
audiobooks.
TV shows or movies.
But here's important advice.
What?
Start with slow, clear speakers.
Not fast conversations.
Right. Beginners should use material made for learners.
Like this podcast.
This podcast is perfect for shadowing.
We speak slowly and clearly.
Step 2. Listen first.
Just listen.
Yes. Play a short section, maybe 10 to 30 seconds.
Don't repeat yet.
Not yet, just get familiar with the sounds.
Understand what they're saying.
Step 3. Now shadow.
This is the main practice.
Play the same section again.
The same section.
This time, repeat immediately after each word.
While the person is still speaking.
Try to match their voice.
Their speed, their tone, everything.
Step 4. Copy everything.
What do you mean, everything?
Not just the words.
What else?
Copy the pronunciation exactly.
The rhythm and speed.
The tone and emotion.
Even pauses and breathing.
Yes. Copy everything you hear.
Become that person.
Exactly. Step 5. Repeat.
Repeat.
Yes. Shadow the same section 3 to 5 times.
The same part 3 to 5 times.
Yes. Each time you'll get better.
You'll sound more like the original.
Don't expect perfection on the first try.
Practice makes perfect.
Step 6. Gradually increase difficulty.
Start easy, get harder.
Exactly. Start with slow speakers.
Then move to faster natural speech.
Try longer sections as you improve.
This makes sense.
What should people shadow?
Let me give you some ideas.
Please.
First, this podcast.
Of course.
We speak slowly and clearly for beginners.
You can listen to this episode many times.
Shadow us while we speak.
What else?
YouTube, English learning channels.
Simple audiobooks.
Children's shows in English.
They have very clear pronunciation.
News broadcasts.
TED Talks. But start with slower speakers.
The most important thing.
What?
Choose topics you're interested in.
Yes. If you like cooking, shadow cooking shows.
If you like sports, shadow sports commentary.
Interest makes practice fun.
And it's okay to use the same material many times.
Repetition builds skill.
I have a student named Yuki.
Tell us about her.
Yuki wanted to improve her pronunciation.
What did she do?
She practiced shadowing for 15 minutes every day.
Every single day.
Every day for 2 months.
What did she shadow?
She started with this podcast.
Good choice.
After 1 month, she moved to YouTube videos.
And what happened?
Her pronunciation improved dramatically.
Dramatically means a lot.
Yes, people started understanding her much better.
That's wonderful.
And she felt so much more confident.
Confidence is so important.
Now she shadows every day as part of her routine.
What results can people expect?
Let me tell you.
After 1 week?
You feel more comfortable with English sounds.
After 2 weeks?
Your rhythm improves noticeably.
After 1 month?
Your pronunciation is much better.
After 2 months?
Speaking feels natural and automatic.
After 3 months?
Significant fluency improvement.
But remember, everyone is different.
Some people improve faster, some slower.
The important thing is consistency.
Practice every day.
Even just 10 or 15 minutes.
That's better than 1 hour once a week.
Now, let's talk about common mistakes.
Good idea.
Mistake number 1. Waiting for pauses.
Don't wait. Shadow immediately.
Mistake number 2. Only practicing once.
Repeat the same section multiple times.
Mistake number 3. Choosing difficult material.
Start easy. Too difficult and you'll get frustrated.
Mistake number 4. Trying to understand every word.
At first, focus on sounds and rhythm.
Understanding comes later.
Mistake number 5. Giving up too soon.
Keep practicing. Results take time.
I have some pro tips.
Share them.
Pro tip 1. Record yourself shadowing.
Then listen to the recording.
You'll hear what you need to improve.
Pro tip 2. Shadow the same material for a full week.
Don't change material too quickly.
Pro tip 3. Practice alone.
Don't be embarrassed. Everyone feels silly at first.
Pro tip 4. Start slower than you think you need to.
It's better to shadow slowly and correctly.
Then fast and badly.
Pro tip 5. Celebrate small improvements.
Notice when you sound a little better.
Be proud of your progress.
Now, let's do a quick practice.
Right now,
Yes, everyone listening, shadow Lucy right now.
ready? Here we go.
Shadow her.
I practice English every day.
Good. Again.
Speaking English makes me happy.
Excellent. One more.
I can improve with shadowing.
Did you do it? Great job.
That's shadowing.
And you can do this with any English you hear.
With podcasts, videos, movies.
Let's review everything.
Great idea.
Shadowing means repeating immediately after a speaker.
Like being an echo.
It trains your mouth and ears at the same time.
How to do it. Listen to a short section first.
Then play it again and shadow.
Repeat at the same time as the speaker.
Copy everything. Words, rhythm, tone.
Practice the same section 3 to 5 times.
What to shadow? This podcast is perfect.
Also videos, audiobooks, TV shows.
How long? 10 to 15 minutes every day.
Results come in 2 to 4 weeks.
But keep practicing for months.
The benefits are amazing.
Better pronunciation.
More natural rhythm.
Improved fluency.
Greater confidence.
And here's our challenge for you.
A challenge.
Yes, listen to this episode again.
And shadow us while we speak.
Practice shadowing with this podcast.
We speak slowly for learners.
We're perfect for shadowing practice.
Do this every day for 1 week.
Then tell us how much you've improved.
You will improve.
We promise.
Shadowing is a proven technique.
Used by language learners worldwide.
Start today.
Great job, everyone.
You learned an amazing technique.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Now go practice shadowing.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.